Hi everyone, this is Krishnaram, Maths IIT faculty. Today you have to discuss the polynomial exercise 2.5, page number 48. Here first question, use suitable identities to find the following products. Previous video we discussed the different types of identities. A plus B whole square formula, A minus B whole square formula, X plus A into X plus B. Next A plus B plus C whole square. Next A plus B whole cube formula, A minus B whole cube formula. Next each and everything. Now you have to see here. Here use suitable identities to find the product. Here first one, see here. First one, X plus 4 into here X plus 10 is given. Here this is looks like X plus A into X plus B. Here what is the formula? X square into X into A plus B plus AB. This is the formula. Now we have to substitute here X instead of X square plus X into A is equal to 4 plus B is equal to 10 plus AB 4 into 10. Now X square plus 4 plus 10 14 X plus 4 into 10 40. This is the answer. Next second one, see. Second one. Here second one you have to try. Third one I will explain. Third one. Here 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. Here this is also same. A plus B, X plus A into X plus B. Same. Here X square means here 3x whole square plus 3x into A plus B. Here 4. Here plus minus plus of minus 5 means minus 5 plus AB plus 4 into minus 5. Now this is 3 square 9x square plus this is 5 minus 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 3x. Now minus 5 into 4 minus 20. This is the answer, no doubt. And now see here. Fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Now this is looks like A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. Now this is y square whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to y square whole square means y to the power of 4 minus this is 3 square 9 and 2 square is 4. This is the answer. Now you have to try at home these two problems, not this one. These two problems, second and fifth one. Same, this is you have to follow this formula and this is you have to follow same this method. Second problem, evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. First one, see here. Here 103 into 107. This one rewrite as 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Now this is looks like X plus A into X plus B. Now you know that how to do. X square plus X into A plus B into plus AB. Now what is the value of X? X is equal to 100. 100 square plus 100 into A plus B 3 plus 7 plus AB 3 into 7. Now 100 square is equal to 10,000 plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 into 100,000 plus 3 into 7 21. Now here 10,000 plus 1000 11,021. 11,021. Next second one. Here second one is 95 into 96. Here 95 is right as 100 minus 5 and this is 100 minus 4. Now how to do? This is X minus A into X minus B. Now or otherwise you have to take plus also, no problem. Here X square plus X into A plus B plus AB. Now see here X instead of you have to write here 100 square plus X into X means 100 into A plus B minus 5 minus 4 plus AB minus 5 into minus 4. Here 100 square is equal to 10,000 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 into plus 100 minus 900 Next minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus. 4 5s are 20. Now this is 10,000 minus 900. How much? 10,000 means here 9,100 plus this 20. Then 9,120. This is answer. Now third one, 104 into 96. Here 104 is right as 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. Now this is x or a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square identity you have to use. Here a means here 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square is equal to 10,000 minus 16. Now 4 here 9 minus 1 here 8. Next 9,984. This one third one. Note down. Now see the third question. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. First one is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. See here this one is right as 3x whole square plus this one is y square only. Now this one is right as 2 into 3x into this y. Now see here 2 into 3 6 x into y xy. Now this is a comparison with a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to 3x. Here b is equal to y only. Now this formula is a plus b whole square formula. Now a is equal to 3x plus b is equal to y whole square. This is it. Next second one. Note down this one. Second one, same here, 4y square, 4y plus 1. You have to try at home. This one is right as 2y whole square. Then 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square. The a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square formula. Then 2y minus 1 whole square. You have to try at home. Next, this one also you have to try at home. Third one. This one is right as x square. Then this one is right as y by 10 whole square. Now a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Try at home. Next fourth one, page number 49. Fourth one, expand each of the following using suitable identities. Here x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Here total 6 problems has given. These 4 problems you have to use the formula a plus b plus c whole square formula. A plus b plus c whole square formula is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This formula you have to use here. First one you have to try at home, and here I will explain 2 only, that is fourth one and sixth one. Fourth one, see here 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. Here a is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus 7b, c is equal to, see here a is equal to 3a and b is equal to minus 7b and c is equal to minus c. These values you have to substitute here. Then here a square means 3a whole square plus b square means minus 7b whole square plus c square means minus c whole square plus 2 into ab. A is equal to 3a and b is equal to 7b plus 2bc. 2bc, b is equal to here minus 7b into minus c plus 2ca. c is equal to minus c into a is equal to 3a. Now see here 3 square is equal to 9 a square. Here minus 7 whole square means 49 b square minus c whole square is equal to plus c square, and minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6. 6 into 7 42 ab. Minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus. Here 2 into 7 14 bc, and minus into plus minus. Here 2 into 3 6 ca. This is the answer. Note down. Next one, sixth one, see. Sixth one also same. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Here a is equal to how much? 1 by 4a B is equal to minus 1 by 2 B, C is equal to 1. Now same values you have to substitute here. A square is equal to 1 by 4 A whole square plus minus 1 by 2 B whole square plus 1 square plus 2AB. 2 into A is equal to 1 by 4 A into B is equal to minus 1 by 2 B plus 2BC minus 1 by 2 B into C is equal to 1 plus 2CA 2 into C is equal to 1 A is equal to 1 by 4A. Now simplify this one. Here 1 by 4. Here A square 1 by 4 square 16 A square minus into minus plus. Here 1 by 2 square 4 B square plus here 1 square 1. Next here this 2 cancel, minus into plus minus. Here 1 by 4 A into B AB. Next here this 2 cancel, minus into plus minus B. Next 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then this is plus, both are plus 1 by 2 A. This is the answer. Note down. Remaining, actually I explained these two and you have to try at home. Same formula, 1 2 3 4 problems. Next problem, fifth one, factorize. First one 4x square plus 9y square plus 6z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 6xz. And second one 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Here two problems as given. And both I will explain. See here. First problem 4x square plus 9y square plus 6z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. See here. You have to see here this one x square plus y square plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Same this like we have to write here. Here 4x square you have to write here 2x whole square. Next 3y square is write as 9y square is write as 3y whole square plus this is 6z as given. 6z how to write? Wait. By mistake I written this one is not 6, 16. 16, here also 16. Then this is write as 4z whole square plus here 2ab. Check here both are minus as given. This only one term is there is no minus. Then x term also not minus and y term also not minus. Or x term minus and y term minus means this is plus. Understand? See here z term is minus. That's why x 2x 2ab 2 into a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. You have to write here. 2 into 2 4 4 3s are 2 into 2 4 4 3s are 12xy. Next plus 2 here this is bc. 2bc means here b is equal to here you have to write here which one. Then you have to write here minus, you have to write here minus into minus plus. Now here 2 into minus 3y into z. Z is equal to 4z. Now see here minus into plus minus and 2 into 3 6. 6 4s are 24yz plus 2 ca. Here c is equal to 4z. A is equal to minus 2x. Here also you have to put the minus. Here also you have to put the minus. Then minus 3y. Now see here minus into plus minus 2 into 4 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 zy. 24 zy plus 2 into this is a 2ab 2bc. Again I written same. Wait. Actually here 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. C is equal to 4z. A is equal to minus 2x. minus 2x. Now minus into plus minus 2 into 4 8 8 2 is 16 x z or zx. Now see here, this is looks like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now this is right as a plus b plus c whole square. But here a is equal to minus means here minus. A is equal to minus means minus 2x, and b also minus 3y plus 4z whole square. This is the answer. Second one we have to see. Note down this one. Next, the second problem, see here, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8 xz. Here in this term, which one is given minus means here this term and this term. Here which one is common? X only common. That x is positive. Remaining is negative. See here. Now this is right as 2 root 2 x whole square. Root 2 x whole square means root 2 whole square means 2 and x square plus y whole square plus this is right as 2 root 2 z. 2 root 2 z whole square. Here 2 root 2 whole square means here this 2 square into root 2 square. Root 2 square cancel. Here 2 square is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8. That's why. That's why you have to write here 2 root 2 z plus 2 into a. Here a only positive and this is negative and this is also negative. Then 2ab. 2 into a is equal to root 2 x into b is equal to minus y. Now minus into plus minus 2 root 2 xy plus 2bc. 2 into b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to how much? Minus 2 root 2 z. Minus 2 root 2 z. Now minus into minus plus. Here 2 into 2 4 root 2 y z plus 2ca. C is equal to minus 2 root 2 z and a is equal to root 2 x. Now see here minus into plus minus 2 into 2 4 and root 2 into root 2 2. 4 2s are 8. X z or zx or xz. Now you have to write here, this one is comparison with a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square formula. Now what is the value of a is equal to here root 2x. Next here minus b minus y and minus c minus 2 root 2 z whole square. This is the answer. Note down. Now sixth one is write the following cubes in the expand form. Here this is a plus b whole cube formula. This is also a plus b whole cube formula. This is a minus b whole cube formula. This is a minus b whole cube formula. That's why first two you have to do the homework and last two I will explain. Third one here 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube formula? Here a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Now you have to write here this is a, this is b. A is equal to 3 by 2 x whole cube plus 3 into a is equal to 3 by 2 x whole square and b is equal to 1 plus 3a b square 3 into 3 by 2 x into 1 square plus b cube is equal to 1 cube. Now rewrite this one. 3 cube is equal to 27, 2 cube is equal to 8 and x cube. Next here 3 into here 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27, here 2 square 4, x into 1 x, here x square plus here 1 square is 1, 3 into 3 9 by 2 x plus 1 cube is 1. This is the answer. Note down. Next fourth one. X minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2 by 3 y. Now you have to substitute these values here. X whole cube minus 3 into x square into 2 by 3 y plus 3 into a is equal to x and b is equal to 2 by 3 y whole square plus b cube 2 by 3 not plus minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. Now see here x cube, here this 3 and this 3 cancel and minus into plus minus 2 x square y. Next one is here 3 square 9, 1 3 3 cancel, then 2 square 4 by 3 xy. Next here 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27 y. See here once again this term alone 3 into x into 2 square by 3 square into y square. Here 1 3 3 cancel, then 2 square 4 x by 3 and this is y square. Understand? This is the answer. Note down. Remaining two you have to try at home. Next one, seventh one, evaluate the following using suitable identities. First one is 99 whole cube, second one is 102 whole cube, third one is 98 whole cube. Here first one you have to try, second and third I will explain. Second one is here 102 whole cube is rewrite as 100 plus 2 whole cube. Now this is looks like a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula is equal to a cube plus 3ab into a plus b into b cube. You can apply this formula also, no problem. Now see here a cube means 100 cube plus 3 into a is equal to 100 into 2 into a plus b. 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 plus b cube is 2 cube. Now see here 100 cube is equal to 10x plus 2 into 3 6 into 100 600. This is 102. 600 into 102 plus this is 2 cube is 8. Now 10 lakhs plus 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. Here 61,200 plus 8. Now you have to write here 8 0 2 1 6. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 0 1. 10,61,208. This is the second one answer. Now third one. Third one, see here 998 whole cube is equal to, this one is rewrite as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Then this is looks like a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b plus b cube. Here a is equal to 1000 cube minus 3 into a 1000 into b is equal to and a minus b 1000 minus 2 plus b cube minus, sorry, this is minus b cube. Now this is 1000 cube is 1 2 3 1 2 3 100 crores. And this is a 2 into 3 6 into 1000 6000 into 98. This is 8. Now 100 crore. This is 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 58 1 2 3 zeros. 5,88,000 minus 8. Then this 8 also you have to add here. Then 8. Now you have to subtract here. subtract your 8 0 0 8 2 here 2 9 minus 0 9 9 1 here 1 here 4 9 9 9. This is the answer. 99 crores 94 lakhs 11,992. This is the answer. Note down. First one you have to try at home. Okay, thank you children. Next video, next exercise, this exercise continuation, next video you have to see. Thank you.